Alright, we are in luck and we were able to buy 2 dozen of eggs, and the price is... What is up, mga Repa Peeps? So right now we are going to look for a dozen eggs that is on a good deal. And so far, Shoppers Drug Mart has one of the best deals, but it varies. There are weeks or there are months that they don't have a good deal on their dozen of eggs, but usually they sell eggs that are on good deals. Usually you'll save around $1 to $2 per dozen. So we're going to go there right now and see if we can find one.
Alright, here we are at Shoppers Drug Mart, your go-to for everything from toothpaste to toiletries. But today, we are on a slightly unusual mission. We're here for something that's not exactly the first thing that comes to mind when you think of Shoppers: eggs. Now, you might think, eggs at Shoppers Drug Mart? Yes, it's a little unexpected. But sometimes when you're running errands, you need a quick grocery fix. And believe it or not, they stock some pantry staples here. And here we are, the dairy aisle. Amongst the milk and butter, you'll find them a humble tray of eggs. They might not have the selection of your regular grocery store, but when you're in a pinch and don't want to make an extra stop, these eggs will do the trick. Let's take a closer look. Price-wise, it's a bit higher than what you might find at a supermarket like Costco. But for the convenience factor, you can't beat it. Mission accomplished. Whether you're grabbing a last-minute snack or picking up essentials, Shoppers Drug Mart can surprise you with what they have in stock, including eggs for your next breakfast.
Alright, we are in luck and we were able to buy 2 dozen of eggs, and the price is at $3.69. However, they set a limit of 2 trays or 2 dozen only, and then after that it will be $4. No, it will be $3.99, but it's still $4. So it is a good deal, and the price of this egg is, I think that was $5 per dozen. So we were able to save $1.30 for each of these dozen. So 2 dozen at 2 trays. So we were able to save a total of $2.60. It's a good deal already.